Welcome to my channel. World Scene News. Subscribe to my channel for news updates all around the world. Cobalt, a silvery blue metal, is often overlooked in the world of minerals, yet its impact on our daily lives and the future of our planet is profound. While solar panels and wind turbines often steal the spotlight in discussions about clean energy, cobalt is quietly powering the clean energy revolution behind the scenes, making possible the very technologies that are transforming our world. Unlike more glamorous metals like gold or copper, cobalt rarely makes headlines, but it is absolutely essential for the production of lithium-ion batteries, the beating heart of electric vehicles, smartphones, laptops, and countless other devices that define modern life. What makes cobalt so special? Its unique chemical properties help stabilize battery cathodes, preventing overheating and degradation. This not only extends battery life but also boosts energy density, allowing electric vehicles to travel farther on a single charge and devices to last longer between plug-ins, crucial factors for widespread adoption. As the world accelerates its shift away from fossil fuels, the demand for battery-grade cobalt is skyrocketing. This surge is making cobalt a linchpin of the green transition, as industries race to secure enough supply to meet ambitious climate goals and consumer expectations. But sourcing cobalt isn't just a matter of mining more. The global race for clean energy now hinges on building a steady, ethical, and transparent cobalt supply chain. A challenge that's become both strategic and geopolitical, with countries and companies vying for influence and security. As we'll see, countries like Canada are stepping up to secure this vital resource, investing in responsible mining and refining, and positioning themselves as leaders in the future of sustainable technology. The story of cobalt is just beginning, and its role in the green revolution is more important than ever. The global cobalt supply chain is not just highly concentrated, it's a complex web that connects distant continents, industries, and millions of lives. At the heart of this network lies a critical vulnerability, one that has far-reaching implications for the future of clean energy and technology. Cobalt is a key ingredient in the batteries that power electric vehicles, smartphones, and renewable energy storage systems. As the world races to decarbonize and shift away from fossil fuels, demand for cobalt has surged, making it a cornerstone of the clean energy revolution. Yet, this surge in demand has exposed a major vulnerability for clean energy industries worldwide. Over 70% of the world's cobalt is mined in the Democratic Republic of Congo, a country rich in resources but plagued by political instability, corruption, and ongoing ethical concerns. Many mines operate under challenging conditions, with reports of unsafe labor practices and environmental degradation. This concentration of supply in a single region creates a fragile foundation for the entire global supply chain. Once extracted, the majority of cobalt is shipped thousands of miles to China. There, it undergoes refining and processing. China currently refines about 90% of the world's cobalt supply. This gives China immense leverage over the global battery market, as nearly every major battery manufacturer depends on Chinese refineries to turn raw cobalt into usable materials. This heavy dependence on a single region for mining and another for refining exposes North America and Europe to significant risks. Any disruption, whether from political conflict, trade disputes, or supply chain bottlenecks, could send shockwaves through industries that rely on stable access to cobalt. As the US and Canada ramp up electric vehicle production and invest in renewable energy, they remain tethered to a supply chain largely controlled by a geopolitical rival. This reliance raises concerns about national security, economic stability, and the ability to meet ambitious climate goals. The urgency to build resilient, ethical, and local supply chains has never been greater. Governments and companies are now searching for ways to diversify sources, improve transparency, and ensure that the minerals powering the green transition are sourced responsibly. The race is on to bring critical mineral processing closer to home, reduce dependence on unstable regions, and break the global stranglehold. The choices made today will shape the future of clean energy for generations to come. In northern Ontario, Electra Battery Materials is building North America's first battery-grade cobalt sulfate refinery. This facility aims to produce enough cobalt for up to 1 million EVs annually, anchoring a domestic supply chain. By processing cobalt at home, Canada can capture more value, create skilled jobs, and foster innovation. The refinery's feedstock will come from regional sources, reducing reliance on distant suppliers and strengthening supply chain resilience. With new leadership and renewed momentum, Electra's project signals Canada's ambition to be a key player in the global green economy. North America is moving from passive consumer to active participant in the battery revolution. The Electra Refinery is a strategic response to North America's dependence on foreign mineral processing. By refining cobalt domestically, Canada and the US can secure their EV and battery industries against global disruptions. The project is a cornerstone of a broader effort to onshore critical mineral capabilities and strengthen economic sovereignty. US interest in the Ontario refinery highlights its continental importance, providing a secure allied source of battery-grade cobalt. This collaboration is essential for building a competitive, secure, clean energy manufacturing base. The Electra facility is a crucial step in de-risking the electric vehicle revolution for North America. The Electra Refinery stands as a powerful symbol of the growing industrial partnership between Canada and the United States. In a world where supply chains are increasingly complex and global competition is fierce, this collaboration marks a significant step forward for both nations. The facility is more than just a refinery. It's a testament to shared values, mutual trust, and a vision for a sustainable future. By working together, Canada and the US are setting a new standard for responsible resource development and technological innovation. The US Department of Defense has invested $20 million in the Electra Refinery, recognizing its critical role in securing the supply of essential minerals. This investment is not just financial, it's a strategic move that highlights the importance of North American cooperation in the face of global uncertainties. The partnership ensures that both countries have access to the resources they need to power their economies and protect their national interests. For the United States, this partnership means a steady, reliable supply of ethically sourced cobalt, an essential ingredient for electric vehicle batteries and advanced electronics. By sourcing cobalt from a trusted neighbor, the US can reduce its dependence on overseas suppliers, particularly China, and ensure that its rapidly growing EV and battery industries have the materials they need to thrive. This is a crucial step toward building a secure, transparent, and sustainable supply chain. Electra is also advancing the Iron Creek project in Idaho, which will further strengthen the North American supply loop. Here, cobalt is mined in the US, transported to Canada for refining, and then shipped back to American factories for use in high-tech manufacturing. This closed-loop system not only boosts efficiency, but also creates jobs and economic opportunities on both sides of the border. The partnership leverages Canada's vast mineral resources and world-class refining expertise, while tapping into America's advanced manufacturing capabilities. Together, they are building a value chain that is both resilient and competitive on the global stage. The Electra project is more than just a business venture. It's a blueprint for future cross-border collaboration in critical minerals. By sharing knowledge, technology, and resources, Canada and the US are paving the way for a new era of industrial cooperation. As the world transitions to clean energy, the partnership between Canada and the United States is forging a resilient, mutually beneficial supply chain, one that will help both countries lead in the global race for sustainable innovation and energy security. Despite strong backing, the Electra Refinery faces significant hurdles. Financing the nearly $100 million project required a complex mix of public and private investment, underscoring the risks of pioneering ventures. The EV market's recent volatility adds uncertainty, making firm purchase agreements with automakers crucial for the refinery's success. Ongoing US-Canada trade tensions could disrupt the integrated auto industry the refinery aims to support. Yet, strong government support and investor confidence provide a buffer against these risks. Electra's leadership must secure customers and manage costs to bring this transformative facility online. Overcoming these challenges will prove the strategic vision can outlast short-term turbulence. The Electra Refinery is part of Canada's grand strategy to become a global critical minerals leader. Federal and provincial governments are investing billions to build a complete supply chain, from mining to refining to recycling. This approach aims for economic sovereignty, giving Canada leverage in North American trade and a central role in the EV revolution. Major investments like Siemens's new battery research hub are cementing Ontario's status as an innovation center. The global critical minerals market is set to explode, and Canada is positioning itself to capture a significant share. Projects like Electra are the first steps toward a future where Canada is a full-fledged mineral superpower. Electra's ambitions go beyond cobalt, aiming to create a closed-loop battery materials park in northern Ontario. Plans include nickel refining and, crucially, black mass recycling, recovering valuable minerals from used batteries. This circular economy reduces mining, cuts waste, and creates a sustainable supply of critical materials. As millions of EVs reach end of life, recycling will become a major resource stream. Early investment in these capabilities gives Canada a competitive edge in sustainable battery production. Electra's holistic approach, backed by government support, positions Canada as a leader in responsible battery materials management. The refinery is just the beginning of a larger, greener, industrial ecosystem. The Electra refinery's success will mark a turning point for North American clean energy. For Canada, it proves the country can move up the value chain, attracting further investment and building a world-class industrial cluster. For the US, it secures a vital material for its EV and battery industries, strengthening national security and economic resilience. This cross-border collaboration is a blueprint for future partnerships in critical sectors. The project shows that building resilient supply chains requires vision, investment, and cooperation. If successful, it will ensure the cars of tomorrow are powered by materials sourced and processed within North America. The hum of the Electra refinery will signal a new industrial dawn for the continent.